Hello everybody, I hope you are having a fantastic day. I'm having a great day because I am messing around with some code. About a year ago, I made this tool called Fix YouTube Play All, and it's something that actually a lot of you guys use. And the way it works is if you go to a channel, there used to be a button right here that said Play All, and you could just play all the videos that the channel had. And for some reason, YouTube in all its wisdom took that button away, and so this tool allows you to take any one video from the channel and paste the link of it in here, and it creates a special link that is all the videos on the channel. And me and a lot of people have been using this tool for the last year. But earlier today, my friend Kowalski Does sent me a short that he made, and that reminded me how much I hate YouTube Shorts. I listen to a lot of music on YouTube, and so a lot of the music artists I listen to, you'll hear a full song, and then they'll do a short, and then they'll do a short advertising an upcoming concert, and then you might get another song, and it's just pretty obnoxious. So I thought, what if I could actually rip all that worthless content out of a channel? And that's what I did. So the way it works is you take any video off of any quality YouTube channel and you copy it and you paste it in here. And if you don't want shorts, then you don't have to have shorts. And you'll see when I click this, all of a sudden we have all 134 of Kowalski Does' videos. And so if I come back here and say that I want to include shorts, you'll see that we should have more. We have 205 videos. So this tool allows you to watch any channel how you want to watch it. And if you don't want to use my site, yt.spice.rocks, you can also grab all the code right here and host it yourself. So I hope that you find this helpful, and I hope that you have a great day. And by the way, check out Kowalski Does.